Hi everyone and welcome to the Recreateful channel. Welcome, not welcome back, because check this out. Excuse you? I'll let you take a second to subscribe to my channel if you do like DIYs and upcycling videos. Done? Right, okay. My name is Divia and I do all sorts of upcycling and DIY videos, and in my last video I made this bustier top from an old skirt. Unfortunately, I realized that this style of bustier top isn't necessarily super flattering on my body, so I thought it would be a good idea to do another video where I do a similar sort of cup bustier style, however making it a little more flattering for all sorts of different body types. So that's why we're here today. I will be transforming an old man's shirt into a Milkmaid cup bustier style dress. So let's go! So here's what the shirt looked like before. This actually used to belong to my dad. The first step is to cut off the sleeves and the collar. I'm also cutting straight through the shoulder seam. I then, however, pin the sides back together with a safety pin. Next, I put on the shirt inside out and I pull down the neckline of where I want the neckline of my dress to be. I then pin this to my top. Next, I'm going to pin along the sides to make it hug my body better. Once I've taken the dress off again, I just cut the neckline to be completely straight. I also sew one of the sides that I have pinned before, and I try it on to see if that is roughly the fit that I want. Now that I know it's not too small for me, I can cut off the excess fabric. I'm now folding my shirt over and copy that side seam onto the other side of the shirt so that I can sew along that as well. And again, I'm cutting off the excess fabric. And of course, we are going to zigzag all the raw edges to prevent fraying. Next, I'm putting the shirt on again, inside out, and I'm now tracing the shape of my chest. I can now cut out the cup and copy that over onto the other side of my shirt. I can now hem the top of my shirt with a rolled hem. Next, I'm taking one of the leftover sleeves and cut it apart. I use my cut cup out to trace it onto the sleeves, however I fold it over whilst tracing it so that I have the shape twice, and it's basically twice the size. I'm also leaving some extra seam allowance at the bottom of the new cup piece. I cut this new cup shape out twice. I then hem the top of that cup with a generous rolled hem. I then take some elastic and cut it to be only a little wider than the scrap cup cutout that we used previously. As you can see, we can always make good use of all the scraps that we have. I then feed the elastic through the rolled hem and attach it to the cup piece with a couple of stitches on the side. Next, I sew a basting stitch along the bottom of my 2 new cup pieces. I then pull on the thread to ruffle it up to be as small as the original cup piece. I now attach my new cups to the dress, but I'm starting with the sides first just so that it's all nice and straight. Once the sides are attached, I can now flip it over and attach the bottom as well. And as you can see, you can always pull the thread a little more to ruffle it up to fit into the gap that we have left. Once that's all sewn together, you can cut up the excess fabric and zigzag all around the cup. To make sure everything stays put, I'm also attaching a small hook and eye closure at the top of my dress. When I tried on the dress next, I realized that I had too much fabric in the back, so I pulled on that fabric and created a dot. I just basically made sure that the dot is right in the center of my back and that it pulls in enough fabric for the dress to sit nice and snug. When it comes to dots, make sure that you fade them out nicely and slowly just so that it's a nice finish on the other side of the fabric. So that way the fabric is nice and smooth. Next, I'm cutting the other sleeve apart and I'm cutting 4 strips of fabric out of it. I fold all 4 strips of fabric in half and sew along that edge. Using a safety pin, I flip my strips right sides out. I'm now tying a knot on one end of my strips. I fold the other end over twice and attach them to the dress. And finished is my men's shirt refashion. Let's take another look at the before, and here is the final outcome. Honestly, this dress was super easy to do. It was a lot of fun to transform this shirt and I absolutely loved the outcome. It's such a cute dress for those hotter summer days and I can't wait to be wearing it out and about. I also just love how the cups look like on my body. I think this is a much more flattering version of the bustier sort of style. I would also recommend this transformation for beginners because it is super easy to do and the result is just really lovely. Alright, so that was another men's shirt refashion and another bustier cup sort of style dress. I'm totally here for that style. I would love to know what you think about this, so please do chat with me in the comments. And other than that, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!